Hello students, welcome to the another lecture. We are doing exercise 3.1 class 7 data handling. Question number 5 is here on the screen. Following table shows the point of each player scored in the 4 games. So on the basis of this table, we will have to give the answer of all these 4 questions. First is find the mean to determine A's average number of points scored per game. So average, first part is average numbers of A is equals to, average is sum of the observation for is equals to A is equals to 4. Sum of the observations are 14, 16, 10, 10. So sum of the observation 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divide by the number of observation 1 2 3 4, total 4 observation are present there. So their sum is 50 by 4. Answer is 12.5. So this is the average of the numbers scored by A in all 4 games. Let's do the second part. In second part, to find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 4 or by 3 or by 4? So let's see, observe about C. You can see there is a third game which is did not play by the C. So C did not play game 3. He played only 3 games. So the total will be divided by 3. So when we will find the mean for the for the C, we will divide the sum by 3 only. Answer for the second part is C did not play game 3. He played only 3 games. So the total will be divided by 3. This is the answer for the second part. और अगर यहाँ पर उसने गेम प्ले किया होता और 0 स्कोर किया होता, इन दैट केस हम 4 से ही डिवाइड करते. बट नाउ ही डिड नॉट प्ले द गेम, सो एवरेज, to find the average we will divide by the 3. Let's do the third part. B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? So we will divide the all observations, all games, number scored in all games by the 4. So let's do the third part. In third part, average score is equals to 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 4. This time we will divide 0864, sum of 0864 by 4, because he played all 3 games. So total is 18 by 4, which is 4.5. This is the answer for the third part. Let's do the fourth part. What is that? Who played is the best performance? So we can see average of A is 12.5. C played only 3 games. Average of B is 4.5. So okay, for that we will have to find the average score of C. This is for B. This is of, which is equals to, he played 3 games, 8, 11 and 13. Sum of 8, 11 and 13, we will divide the 8, 11 plus 13 by 3. We will have to find the average of all 3, and on the basis of the result we can say who played best. So it is, which is equals to 32 by 3 इज इक्वल्स टू 10.67. सो द एवरेज ए का एवरेज था, व्हाट इज द एवरेज ऑफ इज 12.5. 12.5. Average of B is 4.5 and average of C is 10.67. So on the basis of these, A is the best performer. A is the best performer. So the fifth question of 3.1 is completed in this video. We will do next question in next video. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching.